Dress up with us! Hello and welcome back. Today we bring you nice and bald Snow White paper doll, soon to be evil white. Let us begin with giving her some hair. Or not. I really want to try the brains first. It actually looks kind of cool. But since you guys are always complaining about we going bald on everyone, so we're gonna give Snow White some actual hair. Going with her default hair. They definitely look prettier. Now for the eyes. Let's go half and half, starting off with red. And paste it on top of this eye. I swear there's something wrong with this eye. We shall not be defeated. Okay, I give up. And voila, it's fixed. Now for the black. I swear there's something wrong with these eyes. Since red eye doesn't want to cooperate with us, we'll go with all black. To match the black eyes, let's go with black lip first. Okay, she looks hideous. Red lip it is. Always the best option. For necklace, we have this Ursula-inspired seashell necklace. I think skull necklace would look better. Voila. And lastly, we have the dresses. Let's try with the servant dress first. It doesn't give off much of Snow White vibes. Let's try the other dress. The Snow White dress. We think she turned out nice. What do you guys think? See you soon!